Replacing motherboard, RAM upgrade, deep cleaning, and HD replacement on desktop PC. Thank you, Sir Ricky, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Replacing the BioStar B450M motherboard, upgrading the system with an 8GB Kingston Fury DDR4 RAM module, performing a full internal cleaning, and installing an HD replacement Seagate 1TB based on a customer's request is a practical and well-considered decision aimed at enhancing the PC's overall functionality and lifespan. The motherboard serves as the foundation of the entire system, and replacing it ensures improved stability, compatibility with newer components, and resolves any potential issues caused by a faulty or aging board. The addition of Kingston Fury DDR4 memory, known for its reliability and speed, provides a noticeable boost in multitasking performance and system responsiveness. A full internal cleaning is equally important as it helps eliminate dust accumulation from fans, heat sinks, and other components that could otherwise lead to overheating, reduced airflow, and long-term damage. This not only improves thermal performance, but also contributes to quieter operation and better hardware longevity. Although the decision to install an HDD replacement Seagate 1TB is cost-effective, it's crucial that the drive is properly tested for health, performance, and potential sector issues before being placed into active use. If verified in good condition, it serves as a reliable storage solution for files, games, and applications. Overall, by choosing PTT IT Solutions, you are ensuring that your desktop PC is handled with care and precision. And this service not only solves immediate problems, but also acts as preventive maintenance, minimizing the risk of future hardware failure and preserving the smooth operation of your device. Replacing motherboard, RAM upgrade, deep cleaning, and HD replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your replacing motherboard, RAM upgrade, deep cleaning, and HDD replacement too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.